Hello kids, today we are going to revise the last lesson, lesson number 8, occupations. Lesson number 8, occupations. So turn the page. See, here given some points means whole lesson revised in some points. Okay, so see, let us revise. An activity carried out by a person to earn a living is known as his or her occupations or professions. An activity carried out by a person to earn a living is known as his or her occupation or profession. Understood? Second point is India is an agricultural country with about 70% of its population involved in agricultural activities. India is an agricultural country with about 70% of its population involved in agricultural activities. Number 3, animal husbandry involves rearing of sheep, goat, cattle and other livestock. Animals husbandry involves rearing of sheep, goat, cattle and other livestock. Number 4, fishing is an important occupation of people living in a coastal areas. Fishing is an important occupation of people living in coastal areas. Point 5 is some people work in industries manufacturing different items. Some people work in industries manufacturing different items. Number 6, some others work in the service industry such as banks, schools, hospitals, media and entertainment industry. Some other work in service industry such as bank, hospitals, schools, medias and the entertainment industry. Last point, 7th one, police officers as well as those serving in the army. Police officers as well as those serving in the army, navy and the air forces protect the people of the country. Police officers, army, navy and air force officers protect the people of the country. Understood kids? Here are lesson revision over. Now we are going to revise the exercise. Exercise 1. Question 1. State whether the following statements are true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false. Already we solved it. We written true or false. Just once time we are going to revise. A. Food, clothing, shelter are freely available in our society. Is it food available, clothes available and shelter available in our freely? Is all things freely available in our society? No. So it is a false. B. Agriculture is India's chief occupation. Agriculture is the India's chief occupation. True. C. Indian farmers grow a variety of crops in the form of food grains, vegetables and fruits. Yes, Indian farmers grow a variety of crops in the form of vegetable, fruits, food grains. Understood kids? Next last one. D. Armed forces of a country also include security officers. Armed forces of a country also include security officers. Yes, it is also true. Right here, true. Now we see match the following. Question number 2, match the following. A column and B column, 2 columns are there. First we read the A columns and next B column. Already we matched it, but again once time we are going to revise. Okay. A. Someone who grows vegetable. All of you know who grows vegetable. B. A person selling food items on the street. C. A person who flies aeroplanes. D. The head of educational institute. E. One who teach in a school. These all name you know. In B column given principal, pilot, teacher, vendor, farmer and doctor. Okay. A. Someone who grows vegetables. Who grows vegetables? Farmers. Who grows vegetable? Farmers. B. A person selling food items on street. A person selling food items on the street is vendor. Vendor. C. Now C. A person who flies aeroplanes, pilot. A person who flies aeroplane, pilot. D. The head of an educational institute, principal. The head of an educational institute, principal. E. One who teaches in school, teacher. One who teaches in a school called as a teacher. Understood? Now next question. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct option from those given in the bracket. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct option from those given in the bracket. In bracket, shoe laundry, livelihood, animal husbandry. 3 answers are given. You read the statements and fill it. Already we did it, but again once time. Okay. A. Rearing of sheep and other livestock is called animal husbandry. Rearing of sheep and other livestock is called animal husbandry. B. People mostly follow an occupation in order to earn a livelihood. People mostly follow an occupation in order to earn a livelihood. C. You can now get your shoes cleaned well in a shoe laundry. You can now get your shoes cleaned well in a shoe laundry. Understood? Now last question, answer the following questions. Question A. What is an occupation? Give at least 3 examples. Look here kids. What is an occupation? Give at least 3 examples. The work an individual or a group of people does to earn a living as called his or their occupation. His or their occupation or her occupation. Understood kids? Now example, some works as farmers, some works as doctors, some works as an engineer and some works as teacher. Second question, why is serving in the armed officer regarded as a noble profession? Question B, why is serving in the armed forces regarded as a noble profession? Answer, serving in the armed forces is seen as a noble profession because they protect each and every citizen. They protect each and every citizen from any kind of internal or external threat at the cost of their lives. They protect each and every citizen from any kind of internal or external threat at the cost of their lives. Understood? Now question C. What is the difference between the poultry farming and dairy farming? What is the difference between the poultry farming and dairy farming? Answer, poultry farming means rearing hen, ducks and geese for their egg and meat. Dairy farming means rearing a cow, buffalo for their milk. Understood, kids? Now, last question. Name a few occupations that are related to only providing services to the public. Name a few occupations that are related to only providing services to the public. Okay. Answer: transport industry, bank, hospital, schools, beauty parlor, hotel, security service, and film and TV industries provide services to the public at large. Some occupations are there, they provide services to the public. Example: transport industry, bank, hospital, schools, beauty parlors, hotel, security service, and film and TV industries, etc. provide services to the public at large. Okay, so kids, here are SST revision, whole revision over. You read the lesson, revise the lesson revision, revise the exercise 2, and by head the question answers. Understood? Thank you for watching the video.